Yes. Pero, ayan, sige, maya-maya ng konti. 5:05, ayan. So, i-discuss natin. So, I'll share the timeline muna. Okay. So, nakikita na ba? Ayan. Surprise! Ayan. May midterm. Okay. So, yun nga, this week kasi medyo natamaan tayo sa holiday. So, yung April 9 natin. So, ah nagkaroon kasi kami ng meeting kanina. So, medyo nare-require yung sa midterm assessment results. Ah, though ito ay pinag-uusapan pa namin, So, discussion pa siya ng with Ma'am Jaan and Sir Coco. Okay, kung itutuloy namin yung kasi we know naman na it's your online weeks. And so, next week. And so, pero ang chine-check natin lang din is kung maihahabol siya. Ayan. So, pero again, we will update you. Ayan. So, as soon as possible this week. Ayan, pero if hindi matuloy, yung una natin na, di ba may una akong sinend kay Laika. Ayan. So, ito yung proposed natin if i-require agad. Kasi di ba ang dami natamaan ayan, ng ating schedule. Okay. So, we are still trying to arrange then the rooms. So, syempre schedule pa ng ng other sections. Yan. So, pero may mga nakakausap naman na kami. And yung midterm na to is most probably will be on Tuesday next week. And so, nakipag-arrange na din naman ako sa ibang schedule niyo para hindi masyadong matamaan yung iba. Yan. Pero again, hindi pa ito final. Okay. Pero Tuesday is the, parang yun yung nakikita namin na okay. Yan. So, for all, ayan, sections. And kasi possible kasi makaharap din kami ng fee. Ayan. So, kaya ito yung Tuesday. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, yung waste to energy ay nasa week 12 pa rin. So, ito yung Thursday natin. Okay, so yun yung magiging discussion natin. Ayan, so by that time. Then, week 13, ito yung submission natin ng activity 2. So, today I'll discuss activity 2. So, hindi naman siya, I think kaya niya naman siyang gawin. Yung sa activity 2 natin. So, this is a paper lang. So, wala siyang presentation. Kasi ang focus natin sa presentation ay yung project na. And so week 13 din, so syempre magsasubmit lang naman. So we'll also discuss environmental management system. So 14, so we'll give it to you. And so as your time for doing the project. Okay. And so then week 15 to 16, and submission. So if you want to submit now, so parang, di ba yung ginawa natin before sa EIA? So we have the presentation and the paper. Ayan. So it's also the same, pero syempre, iba ang focus natin. So, submission or presentation of project. Ma'am, week 15, face-to-face po ba? Magpe-present. So, if ma-timingan kayo, yes. Okay. So, we'll maximize this time. So, if needed. Okay. If may mag-volunteer sa inyo na gusto mag-present face-to-face, why not? Okay. So, week 17 natin is final. So, coverage natin dito is waste to energy and EMS. Okay. So, yung environmental management system natin. So, actually, yung EMS natin, halos review lang din siya. So, medyo industrial lang yung approach. Okay. Actually, halos industrial, pero medyo broad pa yung ating discussion before sa ENVI, diba? Ayan. So, week 18. So, I hope naman wala na mag-removal. Okay. By that time, feeling ko naman kung mababawi niyo naman siya sa mga ah, activities natin. So, we try naman not to parang maging mabigat itong in waste natin, pero we want to make sure na may matutunan kayo dito and ma-apply niyo siya sa plant design. Okay? Ayan. So, any question po sa ating timeline? Pero again, this is ano pa lang draft pa lang siya. Kasi hindi pa talaga siya ano, ah, ah, hindi pa namin na-finalize yung schedule. Okay. Ayan. Pero oo, di ba kung tutuusin naman is medyo short din naman yung coverage natin ng midterm. So we just, although medyo mahaba, ang pinakamahaba talaga ng discussion natin is the wastewater kasi yun na yung naunang in-address before pa. Ayan, so medyo nagkaroon lang din tayo ng problem solving sa part na ito. Okay? Ayan. Tapos yung 1 hour natin, so we'll use it if needed. Pero again, we'll use it for your activity to or project. Ayan. So, wala pa so far. Ayan. Kasi ayun clarify ko na din na kanina lang talaga nagka-meeting. So, para nagkaroon ng discussion if ipupush ba natin sa week 12. Ayan, so yung midterm. Ayan, so ongoing discussion pa rin. Ayan. So, sige, I'll discuss muna the activity 2. Ayan. So, although hindi pa natin siya nadi-discuss, pero I think you already have an idea naman about mga waste to energy, di ba, ng mga technologies. Ayan. Ayan. Sige. So, this is by group pa rin naman, although paper lang siya. Ayan. Actually, kung medyo mas madami tayong time, pinag-present ko pa. Pero syempre, well, hindi na masyado. Ayan. So, hindi ko So, activity 2 natin, so more on waste to energy. Although magkakaroon tayo ng discussion, pero ito ano naman siya, overview. And pero in this case kasi, ang ita-target natin is ma-apply nyo yung technology na yun. So, instruction natin siya sa waste to energy technology where you can apply to an existing industry in the Philippines. Kasi pansin nyo, di ba, hindi masyado na-apply yung waste to energy. And masyado pa. Siguro meron naman na industry, pero uh, I think hindi pa sa sobra na-adapt. So, number 2, discuss why and how it can be incorporated. For example, madaming solid waste na na-generate. Paano mo idudugtong itong gusto mo na waste to energy technology? So, ano ang magiging conversion mo ba? Ayan. So, ano yung magiging advantage and disadvantage ba? Kasi there are several technologies na applicable naman. Although again, sa ibang bansa mostly. Ayan. So, pero how can you apply it dito? Yan sa Philippines. Okay? So, ito about these 2 related journals. So, I'm just making sure kasi na talaga may reference or basis kayo sa inyong mga research. Okay? And so paper or presentation format, although this is in paper naman. And so introduction, so background of the industry. And for example, ang napili nyo na industry is yung sa paper, diba? Industry. Yeah. So background lang nun. So paano ba napoproduce yung solid waste or kung ano mang waste. Yan. So objectives of the study natin. So syempre waste to energy, diba? Yeah, so you can do specific. Okay, so waste to energy technologies. And so, for example, sa ibang bansa, ito ang ginagamit. Ayan na technology. And so for the waste to energy, so magkakaroon kayo ng comparison. Ayan, so or discussion. Wait lang, tama ba? Nakikita ba ang aking ano? Nakikita naman yung screen ko, di ba? Okay. I-check ko lang. Okay, comparison, discussion. So, syempre, so by using the pros and cons, so what do you think is the best? technology na applicable to the industry na Philippine setting. So, paano natin malalaman, 'di ba? So, syempre you'll also consider, location-wise, puwede puwede ba siyang i-adapt or sa near residential ba siya? Okey. So, kasi 'di ba minsan mapapaisip ka, bakit kaya hindi natin 'to ginagawa? Okey. Ayan, so ano yung magiging considerations or adjustment na puwede natin gawin? And so para ma-adapt natin yung technology na napili natin na tingin natin ay okey. Ayan, so siyempre summary, conclusion, and, recommendations natin. So ano lang, to give, yung ano lang, brief summary, ng mga naging, discussion natin. So references, also appendices if any. And so if, kasi better dito kasi is, uh, again, magkaroon kayo ng process flow diagram. And so para makita natin saan ba nanggagaling yung waste kasi 'di ba last time yun din naman yung tinatanong ko, "O saan ba nanggagaling yung mga waste? Alin bang process yung may pinakamalaking na-generate na waste?" So either solid waste, water, or air pollutant pa yan. Yan, so paano niyo siya ano, paano siya mako-convert, 'di ba? So to energy. So ano ba ang, magiging process behind that? Okay. So, breakdown natin, so halos, gano'n pa rin naman. So, para masanay na tayo, 'di ba? So, integration of knowledge, and so is, paano niyo ba, by using these references, ayan, so paano niyo ba siya ma-apply? So, paano ba kayo nakapag-come up, 'di ba? Na ito yung best applicable, 'di ba? So, next, depth of discussion. So, para may laman. So, content-wise pa rin tayo. Cohesiveness. So, para may story. And so, I think na-discuss ko naman na din sa inyo to. So, I guess pina-practice ko kayo. So, para pagdating na thesis, ayan, sa mga plan design, na mga manuscript, medyo makikita niyo yung flow. Ayan, so kasi yung iba napuputol-putol lang talaga. Ayan. So, spelling and grammar citations, ayan. So, on-time submission, ayan, so off paper. So, yung nasa, event timeline natin kanina, so week 13, so Thursday, so diba week 11 tayo ngayon. So, I think carry naman. So, more on research siya. So, and technical wala naman tayong April 9. Ayan, so, and madami din naman tayo nawala ng class. Ayan, so, I think kaya siya. And, yan, so face to face. So hard copy siya. So ayun. Any question po doon sa ating activity 2? Ipo-post ko naman 'to. And so right after our meeting, medyo magbabawi tayo sa mga ilang linggo nating ano, affected sa mga interruption. Okay. So wala pa sa ngayon. And so pero I hope na-explain ko yung ano, dapat maging laman ng paper natin. So when it comes to format naman, so, uh, may cover page kasi doon ako nagso-score, eh. Yan yung sa cover page natin. So kayo na bahala dun sa cover page. Tapos, long bond paper. Okay, para isang ano ko na lang din, isang size na lang tayo dito sa school. And for sige, times yung Roman, 11, mga kayo na bahala sa spacing. So yun lang. So, just make it presentable. Okay? Okay pa? Um, So, yung palang ano niya, may, kumpleto na din yung grades niya sa'kin yung sa prelims. And so, okey lang ba kay Laika ko na siya i-send? Ayan, so kayong bahala. Ayan, so Laika inform mo na lang ako if, okey lang sa class. Ayan, so sa'yo na lang i-send yung scores. So, kailan ba kayo nasa school? Kasi actually gusto ko rin siyang ipamigay. Ayan, so balitaan niyo na lang ako. Okay. So, we'll discuss naman about the Wait lang. Our project. So your project is 20% of your final grade. So just a review kasi di ba nagkaroon ng changes sa ating syllabus kasi ano man tawag dito, dumating yung prelims. Ayan, so 15% po is prelims, 15% is midterms, 20% is ang tawag dito, finals. So 15% quiz or activity. So 15% quiz or activity. Pero pinasok na natin siya sa activity. Then 20% is, ang tama ba, project. And so, sige, send ko na lang din yung breakdown ng bago. Ayan. Wait lang, open ko lang yun sa project natin. Ay, by the way, the highest pala, okay, okay na ba yan, Nams? Is 46 over 50. And so, hindi ko natanda yung iba, sorry. And so, that's, congratulations. So, si Ken, buwan salida. Ayan. Di ba, kaya naman. I think ang daming nandito dun sa problem. Ano? So, number of trucks po ay 5. Ayan. So, kasi syempre, paano siya magkakasa, di ba? So, in terms of hectares naman, so, 65. Ayan. So, naaalala ko ba? Tanda ba? Oh, so, sino mga nakatama dito? Ang dami nalito dun sa 4 or 5. Okay? Actually, yung iba may 6 pa. Ayan. So, made 3 din. Ayan. So, check. Okay. So ito, check for 1A project, no? So, ito yung medyo need natin ng medyo mas matagal na time. So, bakit? So we'll discuss. So, instructions pa rin. So, syempre, industrial waste management and control tayo. So, we need to choose an existing industry. So, as much as possible, ayan, so different topic kayo per group. Kaya para makita din naman natin yung iba-ibang point of view, diba? Kasi definitely iba-iba yung mapupuntahan yung industry. So after nyo maka-graduate, 'di ba? Kahit third year pa lang tayo, ayan. Pero definitely kasi pagdating niyo ng OJT, yung mapupunta sa inyo sa industry. Okay? So, and this is it's waste management and control. So, ito, ika-clarify ko wastewater, solid waste, and air pollutants are all included. Okay? So, dapat lahat ay meron yung pipiliin nyo na industry. Okay? So, design an improvement, including the process or diagram and the material balance. Yeah. So, include the discussion as well. Ayan. So, have at least 3 related journals per person. Ayan. So, ano ang paper or presentation format natin? So, syempre, introduction pa rin. Ayan. So, background of the industry. Pwede nyo gamitin yung previous industry, no? If you think it's suitable. I mean, like, lahat ng waste or pollutants ay involved. Ayan. So, PFD, process flow diagram pa lang yung sa background natin of the main process. O for example, yung ginamit natin kanina na paper. Ayan, so paano ba nabubuo yung paper? So what's the main process ng manufacturing ng paper? Okay? So para makikita natin dun kung saan nang gagaling yung waste. Okay? Showing the source of waste or pollutants. Nakuha po? Okay tayo dyan? Kasi, 'di ba, yung iba baka mag-focus agad sa wastewater or I mean sa waste management natin. So, we also need to know, yan, kung saan ba, ano ba yung source. Ayan, so ng mga waste or pollutants natin. So, next, objectives of the study. Ayan, so kayong bahala dyan. So, number 4, waste management and control existing design. For example, 'di ba, petrochem. Ito yung existing design. Ito yung usually yung ginagawa nila when it comes to handling waste or petrochem. Yan. May nakita kang reference about dyan. Versus discussion of improvement. O para lang kayo nagsi-thesis, 'di ba, or plant design na okay, ito yung, ano ang novelty ng mga ganyan. So, nakita mo sa isang reference, ayan. So, possible pa siyang ma-improve, in terms of ano, kayo bahala, efficiency or ano ba, mas mapabilis o mas madami kayong ano, capacity ng mga convert, ayan. So, kayong bahala diyan. So, ano, yung waste na energy, puwede niyo din namang i-incorporate. So, if applicable, ayan. So, kayong bahala. So, PNID, so is kasama. Ayan, so and material balance. Ayan, so this is in terms of the improvement na. So, hindi na yung existing design. So, baka kayo na yung magde-design mismo. Ayan. So, yung material balance naman natin is, I think, nakapaggawa naman na kayo before that, ha? So, sa inyong chekal, ayan, so ito ay ano na, practice nyo na. Ayan, so bago kayo dumating ng plant design, kasi definitely yung material balance is at yung focus during that time. So, pero in this case, sa ating sa waste, so isang part lang yung imamatbal natin. Okay? Kasi pagdating nyo ng plant design 1, 2, lahat. Okay? I mean, the main process plus the waste management, so plus the packaging, ayan, lahat included yan. Pero pag dito sa atin sa Inways, mat lang. Ayan, so okay, ilan yung pumasok na waste galing sa ang process, galing sa ang area. Okay. Uh, dumaan siya sa rechamber, ayan, or mga sedimentation tank, o ilang percent kaya. So, mga ganon. Ayan, so sa, parang meron din naman kayong na-apply ata sa Chical before. Ayan, na ganong part. So again, summary conclusion and recommendations, ayan, so references, so appendices, if any, ayan, so lalo na sa PNIDs, ayan, so if hindi kasha. So, score breakdown natin. So, ito, presentation natin. And so, 25 points pa rin. So, 20 points, I think you're aware naman na about the rubrics posted natin. So, 5 points on time submission of presentation. So, PDF. And so, you know the drill, you know the file name. Ayan, so via email. So, paper. Ayan, so it's 75. So, integration of knowledge. So, halos yung kanina din, pero separate na yung point system natin for the PNID. Separate point system din tayo for the MATBAL. So, 10 points for the depth of discussion. Ayan, so yung flow kasi total waste management and control na yung pinag-uusapan natin, diba? Ayan. So, creativeness, ayan, so and so on. So, deadline natin is week 16, Thursday. Pero if you want to submit earlier, you can. If sumama kayo sa week 15. Or pwede naman na week 15 kayo nag-present, i-improve nyo pa yung paper. So after, ayan. So okay lang din naman. So wala namang problema sa akin yun. Then, or sabagay, admit nga pala kayo. So, ayun. So, kayong bahala. So, presentation guidelines. So, two presenters lang tayo. So, yung mga nakapag-present na, alam nyo na yan, hindi na kayo qualified. So, may ano naman ako dito. May record ako kung sino yung nag-present last time. So, no script or prompter. Ayan. So, master your presentations. Ito, nag-add tayo ng time. So, di ba, usually 15 minutes. But because this is a project, so we can do 20 minutes naman. And so again, you highlight what's important. So hindi naman ano talaga lahat i-discuss, diba? So we need to get the overview. So actually, I'm thinking if we can extend this pa. Ayan, so kasi medyo madami, di ba? Kasi lahat included na wastewater, solid waste, and air pollution. Ayan, so pero let's see. Baka naman, di ba, kaya niya siyang i-discuss. Ayan, so kasi again, it's part of the decision making. So which parts are you going to include, which is considered important. And so every group, so will be given 10 minutes for Q&A. And so for members who did not present, so I think that's 4 to 5 members. Yung mga hindi nakasagot. And so points will be deducted. And so presentations will start on week 15. And so I think it's enough time. And so halos plus 4 weeks, diba? And so I think you can do the PNID and the MATBAL naman din for this. Again, dun lang tayo sa waste management. Yan. Pero you still need to show the main process. Yan. So kung paano, yung sa manufacturing mismo. Ayan. So I think that would be all. Yan. So any questions? Malinaw po ba? Okay. Ayan. So I think malinaw naman. Ayan. Pero go lang ha if may question. So I'll be posting this in a while, so after our meeting. So you can, siguro you can use the remaining time so to discuss with your group members. Okay? So I think we are good. And so sana malinaw. And so if you do not have any questions, so you can leave the meeting. Pero go lang ha. So I'll just wait. Yeah, thank you.